Hey, what's going on today, YouTube? Remotion in Motion, back with another one. And today I'm gonna keep the intro real sweet. We have some steel OEM 826M wheels from Marketplace that we just put on my G80. We're gonna go through the installation and proper jack methods and jack stand methods and tools of getting this on, but enough of that, let's get into it. So right now you see that we got the factory issued black 826Ms. I really like the design. I really just don't like black wheels. It does fit the car, but right next to it, you see the wheels that we're about to put on there. These are 826Ms as well. Got it from Marketplace from a guy 15 minutes away. Has a nice powder coat on there that is a mix between gold and bronze. In the light, it's a very light gold, but as you can see over here, it does change, the color shifts. I'm not opposed to that. It actually gives it a little bit of flair. I wasn't sure I was going to do that on this car, but did some research. It is a nice little complementary color. I think it's going to go pretty good. It's going to be a nice CSL-esque vibe to it. If BMW did it, it got to work. And so we're going to make it work here. Can't do nothing in here in the world's smallest garage, so we're going to go ahead to my neighbor's garage. Got 2 cars. Get a little bit of wiggle room and we're gonna get right to it. So I'm about to have 2.5 sets of tires. Got the ones with the wheels that's already on there. I got these RCF wheels that need to get the hell up out of here. And I got the Star Spec right here that needs to go ahead, get installed on the duplicate. We're gonna run these winter tires. Never ran a set of winter tires before, but they are fresh rubber. We'll get rid of them in the spring. Put the Star Spec on these wheels. Keep the all seasons on the black. Time jacking the car up. There was some oil level issues for the jack, but it's all good. Got it on the diff. That is a factory mount point, a jack point. So are these right here. I went ahead and got an adapter. I'll show that to you in a B-roll, but we jacked it up from the diff. Got it on jack stands proper. So now we good to take these off. Go ahead, get the new wheels on. Set on there, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. That color looks crazy. I'm not gonna lie. All right, gonna go ahead and get the rest of these on. Nice accent, I like it. There we go. We gotta pop off the anniversary badge. I really like that. Pop that right up. Make sure that BMW is lined up with the M badge proper. Pretty. Let's get it. Y'all got some tips to put these wheels on? Please let me know. Always hand tight, man. We never gonna cross thread some stuff. We are not pet boys. I've lived with that before and it's not fun. Go ahead with that torque stick. 100 foot-pounds. We'll come back always with the actual torque wrench. Go ahead and get this jacked up real quick. Nice and easy. Get them off the jack stands. See if this jack wanna act right with me. Yep, it's a good jack. And I got the right oil in. Like this jack point right here. This is proper. Got a hockey puck right on that circle close. You can see all you need. You really don't even need a long arm. This low profile is more than enough. Now we got it over here. About to drop it on the adapters. Everything I do is gonna be proper, man. All right, so we're off to APAC. About to holler at my boy Derek. If you didn't know, my body painter is the painter for RWB certified. Go ahead, check him out. It's APAC_auto. Before I put these on the car, I was like, yo, I don't know if I like them, etc., etc. He said, nah. These are it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show him the in-person result, get his official certified feedback. Be right back. I'm gonna just run them as is. for the season.
Right.
And then, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and lower it and stuff, but.
Bro, that color, yo, that shit look crazy how it look, like, over here. Yeah, nah, that shit hot, man. You close that wheel gap up.
Yeah, it's it. That's it, bro.
When you drop that shit on there,
yeah, I'm gonna bring them out.
And this is kind of like what I'm trying to do for the Porsche. Like, I'm trying to do like a perfect balance of like dark and orange, so it's not so overtaken.
Yeah, you don't want it too loud, just a nice little pop.
Yep. Nah, this shit clean.
Appreciate it.
Like
so,
this,
with that being said, what's your professional recommendation on the calipers? I'm thinking like yellow or a blue, but I'm open to opinions.
Blue would definitely be. Blue would be hot. I mean, yellow would be like way in the other spectrum, but that would be like an unorthodox decision.
Yeah.
But I think it would flow. I mean, I think outside of like red, I don't even think red is on the table.
Yeah.
That BMW blue and that emblem would be pretty nasty.
Yeah, I was thinking like a blue because I'm gonna get some blue intakes. Yeah. Nothing that's tacky or overpowering or nothing, but nice little blue to give a little contrast.
Like a blue with that color blue with like pearl in it.
Color blue with pearl. All right.
Just, you know, give it a pop so when the light hit it or nighttime when somebody's head like
yeah,
it'll wake up.
Flash out. Yeah, I could see that. That was definitely on the table. It's like it's hard. You cannot do orange with these. I mean, you probably could. I wouldn't.
You could, but that would be to me that's like
too much.
That's the next step. I like this, bro.
Appreciate it. Got the RWB painter stamp of approval. That's it. It's certified. Pimp my ride type shit. But yeah, it look good, man. Gonna go ahead and get some B-rolls another day, but that's the official feedback. You know what's crazy? I don't never bring this out unless it's no rain in the forecast. Well, it wasn't no rain in the forecast, but here we are. So now we still gotta wash the car. Oh dear, oh dear. Car wash be therapeutic though, so it's all good. Well, that's it for today, y'all. I mean, it came together real good. I got a lot of compliments in traffic. RWB painter, got to officially pimp stuff, you feel me? So this is leaving the impact that I wanted to. Very much a nod to the European aesthetic. This is CS or CSL-esque. You know exactly what I'm going for. Definitely gives like a little bit of a Porsche aesthetic. I mean, like exotic, if you will, German for sure. What is this hanging on my hand? Definitely a spider. Gold with the orange, with the blue undertone, with the Brooklyn gray metallic really came together in general, and I don't really see too many of this. The G80, you do want to make it a little bit different, and yours, I'm going for an unorthodox theme. I like orange, go O's. So I mean, like everything is really coming together and we're not done yet. We're gonna get it right to where we need it to be. Got some AST lowering springs already. I'm gonna lower this on, just haven't yet. Got the Meyer Fabrication oil cooler guard. That's a necessity, already have that. And also we have some front mount intakes in there. I ain't gonna say too much about it. If you see it, you know it, but it's been another episode of Remotion in Motion. If you haven't already, go ahead, like and subscribe. It does help the channel out. We're just gonna keep on continuing and we're gonna get to it. So we are still recovering from the theft of the RCF, and y'all know me. If y'all know me on a personal level, I'm gonna continue getting it until I can get where I wanna be at, and we're not where we wanna be at, but we're in motion. Remotion in motion, stay tuned.